Double up.
Champion.
Listen, man, this soundtrack is pretty awesome, man. I feel like it gets my Monday going. You feel me? Hey, STAKK Nation, Crypto Warriors. Good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful day to be up, man. How you feeling, sir?
Feeling championship.
Hey, man.
Monday of championships, man.
It's championship every day, my guy.
Yes, sir.
Look, man, let's see if this live thing is online, man, and let's get this thing going, brother. Some very interesting stuff happening on Bitcoin.
A lot of interesting going on these days, man. Price action moving upwards, BlackRock talking S.
Oh yeah, what about the BIS, Bank of International Settlements?
Oh, snap! Don't people talk about that?
Man, those guys came for Ethereum, man. They came for Ethereum's neck on that one. But hey, it's all good, man. It's business, like they say. Let's see. Let's make sure that we're alive. And
yeah, we are alive. I can see it.
Yeah.
I see Wendy here as well. Hey, Wendy.
Oh, good morning, Wendy.
Morning.
It's my mess up. We did part 1 of the video that Wendy asked for us to do.
I think it was long, man. It's a lot of information.
Dude, we did way more research. I think we kind of went further than she was expecting on that one. But the part 2 is coming out. Okay,
yeah.
so
part 2 is ready. It's in the
it
library.
Is ready. I just have to post
out.
it. I just have to post it, man. As soon as work gets off my neck, bro. It's been rough. But anyway, we have Goodness Uche. Isn't Uche a Nigerian sort of name?
Yeah, and Goodness could be Nigerian too. We like those kind of names, man. Goodness, excellence, perfection.
Exactly. All right, what's up, Uche? Let's jump right into this situation, man. Yes, so today, okay, we're going to be taking a look at some things that are happening on the Bitcoin network. As we know, there is a lot of things going on in the crypto space and, of course, the Bitcoin space as well. But something very interesting is happening, and I'm not sure if people are ignoring it, but there is this write-up that was essentially released from Lightning Labs, and this is not something that is like very, very new, but we're getting closer. I think there's definitely been progress in what is happening here. So I'm just going to read some of this and let's talk about it.
Is that what I call the underground that the mass population don't know about? Keeping it low, putting in work.
I don't know if we can say the mass population does not know about it, because everybody has heard about Bitcoin.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a matter of whether people will take the initiative, and the time to educate themselves. That's really what it's about, man. Because everybody knows Bitcoin is here. It's a matter of whether they know how to use it. So, decentralizing global FX with Taro. How Bitcoin renders cross-border payments obsolete. This is from Ryan Gentry, Lightning Labs, okay? In this issue, we discuss how Taro decentralizes the global FX market, how Bitcoin renders cross-border payments obsolete, how Lightning has continued to grow throughout the bear market, which is something that I think is very important, man. Despite the fact that Bitcoin has plummeted, almost... we're at 17%. We're what?
50, almost to 70, right? But we're back. Yeah, we're climbing back up.
But you have more and more people hopping on the Lightning network. That says something about the technology itself. Okay, if you ask me, it just means that it works, right? You can see a chart there that shows, as everything was pulling back, the Lightning network was still growing. That's the green line, which we have there, right? But let's continue. So, decentralizing global FX with Taro, right? In April, Lightning Labs here announced that a new Taproot-powered protocol for issuing assets on Bitcoin blockchain that can be sent over the Lightning network for instant high volume, low fee transactions. Since then, we have received lots of useful community feedback, which we proposed into the draft Bitcoin, the BIP, right? Draft Bitcoin improvement proposal, specifying the protocol, and have been hard at work implementing Taro as a standalone daemon, right? After talking about Taro with the community, one thing that has become very clear: in the world of omnipresent communication connectivity, nobody says cross-border messaging anymore. Taro promises to do the same thing to cross-border payments by decentralizing the entire global FX market into a protocol that can run on a Raspberry Pi by anyone, anywhere. That is decentralization. Anyone, anywhere.
This is going to displace the banks big time, which is one of the reasons why you see this constant media that keeps saying Bitcoin is a Ponzi scheme.
Yeah.
Global foreign exchange, FX, is a multi-trillion dollar market. Literally, any money that moves across borders goes through FX, through the SWIFT system as well.
Yeah.
And if you can now say that through my own node, which we're also working on having our own node as well, you can become your own bank.
Oh wait, no,
Come
we
on,
have a
man.
node. We just don't have a channel. We have a node.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
just
yeah,
don't-
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, and
we have actually we have two. The other one is
Yeah.
in work in progress.
Exactly. Well, that one is more for testing because we're building we're working
Yeah.
on building a certain node powered situation. Just a little spice to the node action. So
Yeah, yeah,
whenever that comes out, we'd like to share it out with everyone.
yeah.
The parts
Hey,
are over there.
actually, as a matter of fact, you're actually working on the video. I think you're going to be publishing a video on how we can show people how to do the same thing.
Yes, bro, but don't tell the people because now you're putting unnecessary pressure on me. Okay, I'm not ready. Okay, I still have a job and I need to manage my time better. Okay, so relax. But yes, okay. Here's the bottom line, man. With if you're running a Lightning node, right, which if you don't know, Lightning would be like what the L2 of Bitcoin, right? Using Bitcoin as the rails. This was inevitable because if you think about it, right? Remember back in the days, if you had to call back to Africa, okay, we had to go to the store. My mother used to send us to the store all the time, right? We'll go buy the call
Calling
cards, right? And then she's scratching them. And then she makes a phone call. But that's not the thing anymore. You can use WhatsApp, right? Just connect to Wi-Fi. You could call anyone, anywhere. The same thing has happened to text messaging, emailing, and all of that stuff. Why not money? And this is it here. So, go ahead.
We know why not money. We're just asking why not money because the establishment do not want to be replaced.
Yeah, this is true, right? But I think they don't have an option anymore because check
Eventually,
this
it
out,
happens.
right?
Technology has done that to everything. It's just a matter of time before it catches up with money.
Tech is a beast, my guy. Okay, so at a high level, Taro makes Bitcoin and Lightning multi-asset networks. Users will be able to open up a Taro channel that plug into the edges and interoperate with existing Bitcoin channels, right? It's, Lightning nodes. If you're running a Lightning node, you can. If you're running a Bitcoin node, you can open Lightning channels, which is what we just need to do. I remember someone actually asked, mentioned in the comments. Yeah, so
we can
gotta
join the channel.
Yeah. So what happens then is that Taro channels can plug up to the edges and interoperate with existing Bitcoin channels that make up the Lightning network today. This means instead of starting from scratch and bootstrapping a new ecosystem of nodes and liquidity, Taro will leverage the existing network effects of both the Bitcoin infrastructure that has been built over the years with over 4,000 Bitcoin allocated to the network, right? As for Lightning channels, and be able to use that as a global routing currency. Now, there's an image here of how this works. And I think this came from the CTO, right? I think it's Laulu Osuntukun.
Laulu
That's-
Osuntokun. Yeah.
That's Nigerian as well, isn't it?
Hey, man. Nigerians
I think
are
so.
turning heads around the world.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, so how does this Taro situation work, right? Just a quick, say Alice is sending some money. It could be 10 USD or whatever the case might be, and they send it over the Taro network. It instantly converts it into Bitcoin, right? Sends it through the Lightning network, essentially.
Yeah.
So the Bitcoin network or the Lightning network just sees sats of Bitcoin. It does not see any other asset, right?
Yep.
Transfers it over, converts it back to the asset that was sent, and boom. If it was
Peer to
USD,
peer too, by the way.
Peer
all
to
just
peer.
popping on
Right.
nodes. Nodes and leaves. Because I also understand that they're also using leaves now. I'm like, what? These guys are going crazy now.
Yeah,
Making it even much faster.
I have to learn more about that one. But I think
Yep.
that is absolutely incredible. Let's check out some comments, by the way, before we continue here.
Yep.
Goodness Uche says he's Biafran.
Hey, man, I feel you.
Man.
I feel you, man. I feel personally that, if we fix the money issue, there's no need for Africans or these little different dialects or ethnicities to separate. I know
Absolutely.
the British brought us together, but if we come together, we don't have to worry about, trying to be Biafran or be Yoruba nation or, the eastern part. It's the leaders that are effing us up. You can go Biafran if you want. I have Igbo people in my family, no issue there. I just think the issue is money. We fix money and we fix the leaders. There's nothing for us to separate one another. We're all one.
Look at that. Some Nigerian politics on a Monday morning. Love it. Jake Fever says good morning. Good morning,
Hey,
champions. Says shake it up. Shake it up. How can we shake it up here? Would that work?
That's blowing it up, man.
Hey man, we're blowing up the traditional financial system. And so Goodness Uche says Taproot is still light years ahead of its time. It really is. I hope people will catch up. It would literally kill every bank. This is facts,
Yeah,
and we're actually going to
yeah.
show because the
And they're fighting back hard too.
the Federal Reserve, or is it the Federal Reserve of where was it?
Cleveland.
Cleveland, right? Wrote a paper where they actually said that this is a problem. Well, not a problem, but they are realizing that this is something that is legitimate. It says the Lightning Network is turning Bitcoin into money. I mean, I guess we all knew that they're just catching up. I think there's another central bank that is in Europe that also wrote about it. But we'll jump into that into a little bit here.
Yeah.
We have let's see, Satoshi Slim in the house, man. What's up, brother? He says morning. Good morning to you too. Let's see, Malik Howard say what's up, fellas. Anything else? Good morning.
Yeah.
Good
Which
morning,
is
good
just
morning,
like
good morning.
Strike. Yeah.
Just like Strike. This is true.
I think Strike is one of the solutions that are being built around the ideology. Actually, it's one of the things that are actually making big moves in terms of eliminating international transaction fees and stuff like that.
Absolutely. I agree with that. By the way, guys, please do not forget to hit the like button. You see, we have to be, reminding people to hit the like button double O because we just get on and we're just on a roll. You know what I'm saying? But we're improving. Here we go.
Smash
Guys,
the like button.
Smash the like button for us, man. We appreciate that. That's pretty awesome. Let's move on here. Here's the thing. I wanted to just go through when we talk about the Lightning Network. Okay.
Yep.
There's a lot of talk about Ethereum because we have to make these comparisons because Ethereum is supposed to be the competitor to the Bitcoin network. One thing I'll point out is while the price of Bitcoin has been dropping, we've been in this bear market as we all saw in the article, the Lightning Network has been actually growing. I think that says something. Meanwhile, I'm not sure. Maybe people can let me know what has been growing on Ethereum like crazy. But I know one thing for sure. Whatever it was, I probably will not feel secure in it given the amount of hacks that has been happening. I think there's been a hack almost every couple weeks. Right? If you average it down, it's probably a hack a week or more.
I mean, it's not the Ethereum blockchain that is getting hacked. It's the different solutions that have been built on the network that has been hacked. I think that screams a lot.
Absolutely. But this is why I'm saying that, because we can make a comparison here. We see that on the Lightning Network, there's a lot of things going on. There's a lot of applications that can be run on the Lightning Network, right? We know now that you have games, right? You have ZBD games, right? And these guys have raised, 3.5 million? In
35 million,
Series
man.
B. Sorry,
35 million.
35 million in a
don't make it look all weak, man. Come on, 35 million is a lot of money.
Sorry, man. I don't want to take away the glory, man. It is
Play to earn,
Yeah. So you have play to earn, which is now on the Lightning Network. And there's a bunch of things here. We're going to share this link. I don't know, but Double O, maybe you can drop the link in the comments. That way, if anyone wants to read this, there is a lot in there, and we clearly cannot go through all of it.
Yeah.
But you have contactless payment applications that are coming up on the Bitcoin on the Lightning Network. And we're just going to go through some of the ones that we thought were really cool here. You have a Purse. Right? This is the OG escrow service that connects users with Bitcoin users. That connects Bitcoin users with Amazon gift cards. Right? Launch Lightning Network support, and now their users can buy goods from Amazon with 15% discounts.
Can I pause right there?
Yeah,
there was a lot of screaming last year that Amazon was gonna use AMP as their digital currency, and that never happened. And now Binance is was it Binance that is delisting AMP? One of the two is delisting AMP. I'm a little disappointed in that, but Amazon continues to be a big market space. So when you have layer 2 solutions like POS that is giving you Amazon gift cards and giving you 15% discounts on Amazon, that is major when it comes to transaction. So don't sleep on it, man. If POS was Ethereum coin, you will see it on the exchange trading. Whereas you can see it's not out there screaming a bunch of noise, and it's still out there getting work done.
Absolutely, I agree with that. I've also been using something similar to it. There is what is it called? The Bitcoin Company.
Yep.
And as well as Bitrefill, you can use that too. RSS partnered with Albai to become the first podcasting hosting service, or the first podcasting hosting company to enable value for payments, allowing the creators to receive Lightning donations. Isn't that cool? You could just listen to a podcast and pay the content creator directly.
Yeah, so one part that people don't know, that RSS was actually one of the biggest technology that came out from Web 1.0 to Web 2.0. And as you can see now, RSS is now moving into the digital space, into the blockchain space, without you giving up all your privacy. Because for RSS usually require or request for some of your information for you to continue to give you feedback. And now you have RSS.com now doing the old blockchain thing on Bitcoin, which is even major. It's also major. Big time.
Absolutely. 5252crypto.com. Good morning, brother. Good morning to everyone. We have El Debnam. It says, greetings. Good morning, brother man. Good morning, sir. Top of the morning to you.
Yeah, he said he just smashed the like button.
And he smashed the like, man. Come on now. That's what else can we ask for, man?
Smash the like button.
This is how everyone should start your Mondays, man. In greatness. That's how I feel,
Let's go.
Oh, by the way, I think I'm going to elaborate on that situation. Remember what I just explained to you? Why I think is men tend to lose all of their wealth in a divorce.
Oh snap!
Bro, it is a mathematical equation. Not necessarily. It's business, but I could be wrong. It's just a theory. But I'll share it with everyone one day after I. You have Machankura, okay, allows Africans to send Lightning payments totally offline. It's easy as sending an SMS. The service is available in Ghana, Kenya, Malawi, Nigeria. I mean, even if you have a basic cell phone, right, it gives you a text menu, which you can use to send payments.
So I've been on some Twitter space, and people always talk crap about, but how's Africa going to get access to Bitcoin? I'm like, y'all just don't understand. And M-Pesa, before everybody was talking about Lightning Network, was already kicking butt in that space. Yeah. Now we have the solution that is on the Lightning Network that allow the basic, your old school Nokia phone. Africans are still using that sucker in the farm. And you can still transact in Bitcoin with that. The goal is to just get the education and information out there so that people can start realizing that you can gain your own sovereignty back.
Man, people on Twitter just all they do is just talk, man. They all talk, bro. They just gather and have their little groups and cry amongst each other and go out and do something about it. Jesus Christ. Oh well, I'll leave that alone. I'll leave it alone, man. I don't want to ruffle some feathers.
The ECB is talking crap too now.
The ECB published a paper talking about the Lightning Network. It says here they published a research paper written by its director of general market operations, with the entire section exploring Bitcoin and Lightning as the potential holy grail for cross-border payments. Just wait until they hear about Taro. These guys are out, man.
But you know what's funny though? Before you jump off that topic, when you read national media, when you read general media, it's all this crap about they're going to stop Bitcoin. These people, it's a strategy. They push out the fraud, whereas they're strategizing on how to implement or find a way to kill it. So it's either they want to kill it or they want to fully take over, but when they take over, they want to be the major stakeholders and you just the minority. It's always worked that way.
We'll wait and see how it turns out for them, man, because I'm on the side of technology. The list is very long. We cannot go through all of it because we're out of time, but we have shared the link in the chat below. Yeah. If you would like to spend some time looking at it, I highly encourage everyone to take a look at it. It's really good stuff, right? We have Ghetto Crypto says, top of the morning, gentlemen. Blessed day. What is that? Oh, blessed day with wicked markets. Jeez, man, dude, I'm tripping, man. Okay. Well, Double O, any final thoughts, man, before we close this one out? Because, we will be signing out here shortly, sir.
I know, because the gentlemen of crypto are coming on in a few minutes. So, of course, we got to get up. Our show is quite short, but, we'll get the party started on Monday mornings. Hope you are ready for the week.
Right.
By the way, quick question.
What's that?
Are we entering into a bull market or what? What's going on here?
I don't know. I don't want to make any predictions yet because I'm waiting for something. I'm waiting to see what happens at 25K.
Confirmation.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So we're waiting for that, and before we see where we are with that. So, ladies and gentlemen, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and the Gentlemen of Crypto's channel as well. Right? You can find us on YouTube, STAKK, Twitter, STAKKFin, Facebook, STAKKFin, Instagram, STAKKFin, or you can just listen to us on Spotify. I think it's nice to be on that. I've been working on my radio voice. Okay, so on Spotify too. STAKK. There we go. On to next time. Brazen out.
Double O.